There's some birds out here eating on the bird feeder. See? I'm just gonna do this for a little bit. See the nice birdies? I just have to be quiet a little bit because I know what I'm. But the birds are over here. It's been very, very beautiful. Oh, there they go. Is there any more? Oh. But it's been very, very beautiful. See the birds over there? See? They've been flying everywhere today. Okay, this was just a short video, guys. I cannot get the... I only got the birds for a little bit. But they know when the camera's on.